love, there is a place bathed by the sun, hanging from the cliffs, shaped by the gods of another world. Its skies are forever emerald blue, and its flowers are silk white. I long awaited for our hands to meet as we passed through the door, side by side, slowly discovering its majesty. My love, there is a place where you and I are all we need and all we ever looked for. Nothing will ever stay hidden from its rays of sun, neither you nor I. Its touch, so soft, like orchids in the afternoon breeze. If you close your eyes, all of our senses will align. As we swirl beside the sunsets, a fragrance so pure, like the finest of wines, will surround us. A taste so elegant. My love, when the morning comes, it will all still be there, all of it, right in front of us. As its essence existed way before us, and for the years to come. Awaiting for the memories we will be creating to carry within forever. My love, I think I finally found the place we've only dreamed of. And it's here.